Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Programming in Rust. So I am learning Rust nowadays and I think that if I will share this learning with you, that will be helpful for me and as well as for others also. So nowadays Rust is very popular. When it comes to performance, we always think about Rust. So I thought that let's give it a try and see how we can use it in our future projects. Okay, let's discuss about it. So why I should learn Rust? So from the website, from the resources, what I understand till now is performance wise, it is blazing fast, memory efficient, without a garbage collector. That is interesting, right? This language is compiled a compiler based language but does not have any garbage collector. So how it deallocates the memory, we will discuss in detail in the coming videos. Second, why I should learn it? It is safe. So in safety, prevents null pointer dereferences and data race. So it prevents the null pointer also. Concurrency, robust support for multi-threaded programming. So if your use case is such that you need to use multiple threads, then rather than Python, you can go for multi-threaded programming and it will be very fast in Rust. Adoption, used by many top companies like Mozilla, Microsoft, and others also. Community, community is very friendly and growing. So I also joined the community. If you want to learn the new stuff, you can also go and join the community on the website. Okay, what is Rust? Rust is a system programming language focused on safety and performance. As we already discussed, it's blazing fast. It was first released in 2010 by Mozilla, although the beta version or the usual version was available in 2014. Popular features: zero cost abstraction, memory safety without garbage collection, we will discuss, and fearless concurrency. So you can do the work in the concurrent way and you do not need to worry about it. Okay, so before moving forward, let's install Rust on the local system and we will learn it together. Correct? To install Rust, you have to visit this website. This is docrustlang.org, books, and then you need to click on installation and follow the steps. What you need to do, okay? Just copy this if you are installing on Mac or Linux, and then go to your terminal, create a folder, mkdir rust project cd rust project. Click one, type 1 and click enter. Wait for some time. Yes, so that is installed. Rust is installed now. Great. Now what we can do, we can check which version we have installed. So rust c minus minus version. So rust c is not found. So how to solve it? Let's see. So it is not working. So what you need to do is you need to just close your terminal and restart the terminal, and then check rust c minus minus version, and you will get your version. So we are working on the latest one, which is 1.83.0. right, start working and build our first project in Rust. So open code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. So you can open it code dot, and it will get opened in this directory. So here what we will do, we will create one file, hello dot rs. rs is the extension for Rust. So in every program, so if you are working with Rust first time, so remember that entry point for Rust is the main function. So let's create that fn main and then curly braces and say print line hello world, right? Control S and say Rust C. Rust C is the compiler for Rust. Rust C and hello. So if we will run it, what it will do? It has not returned any output because Rust C compiler will compile the hello.rs file and will create a exe for you, and this exe will work in any environment. Okay, so now run this exe and you will see your message dot slash hello and run it. Yes, perfect, it's working. Correct. Now this is the one way how you can start working, that create your file and then go into that. Or you can use a package, you can use the package manager provided by the Rust only. That name is cargo. So let's create an application in with cargo. New my first app. Create this. Oh, it's created. Great. So now if you will check, there is a main function, main file, main.rs. rs is the extension, and if you will open, it will provide you the same information which we have created manually in hello.rs. So because why it is created? Because entry point for any program is starts from main. So to run this, you can use cargo run my first app. So there is an error, could not find cargo.toml, because we have created one app, my first app, but we have not changed the directory. So change the directory cd my and then run the same command. So what is the benefit of cargo? So when you will use single file, then what you need to do is you need to every time you need to compile that, and after compilation you need to run the exe to generate the output. But cargo will do the same thing at the same time. So once you will say cargo run my first app, so your app name, then cargo will build the application first and then run it also. So if you will see, compiling, finished, and then running. So both the commands together. So these are few benefits of using cargo.